Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can update your email and password in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down, and at the profile section, click on the My Account Info button. And then scroll down, and at the My Account Info section, click on the Email and Password button. So as you can see here, you can confirm your email by retyping it, and you can set a new password here by typing your current password, the new password, and then the new password again, and just click on the save button to confirm it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.